Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for staff selection commission bank exam like SBI, CGL, SSC, CGL, NDA, IBPS, UPSC, BPSC, UPPCS or any other government exam where English plays a key role, then you are in the right place. This is part 2 of our one word substitution series. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend checking that you first. We covered many important terms already. In today's video, I will be sharing more than 500 words, one word substitutions that are extremely important for different types of competitive exams. These words are frequently asked in Tier 1 and Tier 2 exams, and mastering them will boost your vocabulary, comprehension, and accuracy in English section. So keep a notebook ready and let's get started. So one word substitution, sometimes a single word, is succinctly convey the meaning of an entire phrase or concept. This one-word substitution serves as powerful tools for effective communication, help you to enable, help you to enabling us to express, describe different types of things in a concise and precise manner. By substituting longer phrases or description with a single word, we can enhance clarity, save time, and make our language more effective, more efficient. Let's explore a diverse range of one word substitution vocabulary and help us ourselves with greater vast and fascinating. From capturing emotions and character traits to encapsulating complex ideas. So, these succinct words hold the power to convey meaning with remarkable efficiency. What is one word substitution examples? A one word substitution is when you replace a long phrase with one word. Few examples are given. A person who teaches a teacher. A place where you sleep is called bedroom. So it makes sentences shorter and easier to understand, easier for comprehension. So few example of simple substitution are a person who fixes car mechanic, a place to see animal zoo, a person who draws picture artist, a place to sleep bed, a person who writes book author. So these are simple and easy examples where a long phrase is replaced with the help of one word. So here are some example of word substitutes. So what do you mean by word substitutes? Example is given. I ran out of milk, so I used water as a substitute. So it means water was used instead of milk. So what is a one word substitution for the study of human development? The one word substitution is essential for the study of development and it is called development. One life is a man whose wife is dead, widower, a woman whose husband is dead, widow, engaged to be married, betrothed, and recording the earth gyroscope, an instrument for measuring electric current, ammeter, smuggled foods are called contraband, the act of spying, espionage, a knife fixed on the end of a gun, bayonet, soldiers on horses, cavalry. A book of accounts showing debt and credit, ledger, a book containing information on all the branches of knowledge, encyclopedia, a record of one's life written by oneself. A record of one's life which is written by oneself is known as autobiography. A record of one's life written by somebody else is known as a biography. A speech by the dramatist at the start of dialogue by the aim of A hollow space in a statue is niece. Unable to pay off one's debt, insolvent, as niche. Correct spelling is called orthography, a place where animal ancient works are kept, museum, a very private rooms in which other is not allowed, a very private room is known as sanctum. A madman, lunatic, crazy man, madman is known as lunatic. A war of religions are called crusade. Books, bibliophile. Animals that live in water, aquatic. Animals that live on land, terrestrial. A written declaration made on an oath is called affidavit. A bunch of flowers, bouquet. A child born of unlawful marriage, bastard. A game or battle where no party wins, draw. A person, first speech, maintain speech. Killing a man, homicide. Killing one's king, regicide. Killing one's mother, matricide. Killing one's father, patricide. Killing one's brother, fratricide. Killing oneself, suicide. Animals that suckle their young, mammals. A speech made without preparation. Instantly you have to deliver a speech that is known as extempore, which is a speech which is delivered without preparation is called extempore. A decision on which all agree, unanimous. A decision on which all agree, unanimous. A writer who steals ideas from another, plagiarist. A medicine that loosens the bowels, laxative. A speech made to oneself, so the place where clothes are kept, a person uttering swan song, asking for opinion, referendum, and asking called referendum. Separation from other people to avoid infection, an imaginary the green coloring matter in the leaves which help in photosynthesis, chlorophyll. Animals, fauna of a certain region, the animals and the plants and vegetation of a region is called flora. Incapable of being burnt, incombustible. And being burnt is combustible. An instrument for seeing distant things, telescope. A disease that ends in death, fatal, which causes death, which leads to death is fatal. A book or paper written by hand, manuscript. Government which honors all religions, secular. A word no longer in use, obsolete. A word no longer in use, a word no longer in use is absolute. An instrument for detecting earthquakes is a seismograph. An instrument for measuring gas is manometer. The property left to someone by a will, legacy. Promise given by a prisoner not to escape. When a prisoner has given a promise that he will not escape. Parole. An exaggerated statement, hyperbole. An exaggerated and boasting statement is hyperbole. A nation that goes to war, belligerent. A nation that goes to war, belligerent. A person who lives in a foreign country, immigrant. Too much official formality, red tapism. One extremely fond of one's life, uxorious. One who extremely love his wife, uxorious. A list of things to be discussed at a meeting called agenda. Unduly attached to one's own opinions, opinionated. Unduly attached to one's own opinions is called opinionated. Very exact or scrupulous in the observation of forms. Punctilious. Very exact and scrupulous in the observation of forms. Punctilious. One who is completely self-satisfied. Complacent, which is required for anyone. Complacent. Simple and easily deceived means a person who is believing and trusting people very easily and therefore easily tricked, therefore easily deceived. Person is very simple and trusting on other very easily. Gullible. Gullible. The most capable part of a group, town, or place. Elite. Elite. One who flaunts newly acquired wealth. Parvenu. One who flaunts, the person who get wealthy and always flaunting on always boasting, he is always boasting and he's flaunting is parvenu because he acquired the health, he becomes reaching in a near days only. The intelligent and educated group or class of a society or country. That group who is educated and that class or society or country is known as a intelligentsia. Exclusive comment or exclusive possession, monopoly. Boredom or frustration in life, envy. Envy. There is a boredom and frustration in life is envy. Envy. Boredom and frustration in life, envy. Shy, timid, unwilling to face a situation. A person who is feeling shy, timid, cowardness, unwilling to face a difficult situation, that person, that is a diffident. Word is used is diffident because he is feeling shy, coward, timid, unwilling to face a situation is called diffident. Government by department of a state is bureaucracy. Government of, for, and by the people is democracy. The right of self-government is autonomy. The period between two reigns is interregnum. The period between two reigns are interregnum. A council of clergymen is synod. The ceremony at which a man becomes a priest, sacrilege. One intolerantly devoted to a particular creed, bigot. One who intolerantly devoted to a particular creed is bigot. The custom of marriage to more than one person at a time, polygamy. Poly means many. So many marriage. The custom of marriage to more than one person. Gamy means marriage. Marriage to more than one person at a time. Polyandry is a woman who has more than one husband at a time. Poly means many and andries means husband. A woman who is having a more than one husband. Misogynist, a hater of women. A man who hates women is misogynist. FAPA, an embracing mistake. So students don't do a FAPA, an embracing mistake. A place where animals are slaughtered for the market is abattoir. Giving up throne by the king is called abdication. A washing or cleansing of body, especially in a religious ceremony, is ablution. The original inhabitants of a country is called aborigines. The original inhabitant of a country, the original inhabitant means original person of that country is, and that is called aborigines. Aborigines. To do away with rule, abrogate. Whatever you are doing, it is not following rules. So to do away with rule is called abrogate. Abrogate, not following the rule. Abrogate. Give more force or importance to accentuates. Giving more force and giving more importance means you are accentuating something. The study of sounds are called acoustic. Accept without protest or silently is acquiesce. You are accepting anything without any protest or without any objection, or accepting with silence is called acquiescence. Things to be added at the end of a book, etc. Addendum. So any things which is added at the end of book, any things written at the end of books are called addendum. Person who pilots or travel in a balloon, airship or other aircraft is aeronaut. Person who loves nature, aesthete. A person who loves beauty of nature is aesthete. One who doubts the soundness of inference is called aesthetic. Aesthetic. Aesthete means who loves beauty of nature. Aesthetic means who doubt the soundness of inference. Aggravate means you are increasing something, means to increase the gravity of an offense or the intensity of a dispute. So that is the aggravates. You are aggravating the dispute with your friends. So aggravate means intensifying dispute, increasing dispute. Fear of pain is aglophobia and adenophobia. Fear of pain is aglophobia, adenophobia. No need to have aglophobia or adenophobia if you are getting failure in any exam. The science of soil management and the production of field crops are called agronomy. Chemistry in ancient times are called alchemy, a story in which ideas are symbolized as people, allegory. So, a story in which ideas are symbolized as people is allegory. To mitigate of lessen the suffering or pain. To mitigate of lessen the suffering or pain. Alleviate. To mitigate of lessen the suffering or pain. Alleviate. Commencement of words with the same letter is alliteration. Commencement of words with the same letter you are giving, that same commencement of words you are providing in the letter is alliteration. An annual calendar with position of stars, almanac. School diary is also known as almanac. A almanac. A raised place on which offering to a god are made, altar. Regard for others as principle of an action, altruism. A lover of mankind, altruist philanthropist. Altruist philanthropist means who is a lover of mankind, who love and who works, who wants to work for the benefit of society is altruist and philanthropist. Alleviate means to reducing the suffering or to reducing the pain. Fear of riding a car, a person who doesn't who has fear of riding a car is amaxophobia. Phobia means fear. Whenever the word phobia is coming, it always means fear. Amaxo means car. Amaxophobia. Amazon is tall, strong, masculine kind of women. A woman who is very tall, strong, and masculine is having very good structure. Physical body, Amazon. Ambulatory, able to walk after being bedridden. A person who is suffering, who is sick, and then afterward he or she is able to walk after being bedridden is called ambulatory. To make better, to improve, or to lift or a better place is ameliorate. Ameliorate means doing the improvement. You're making better. So ameliorate is to make better or to improve or to lift or to move to a better place. Amiable means one who is a likable. Amiable friend. Cutting or arm, leg, etc. by surgery is amputation because of any type of problem. Amputation. The doctors is cutting arm, leg, etc. with the help of surgery is called amputation. Amputation means cutting. Ampute. A mistake in the chronological order or a thing which is out of harmony with a period is called anachronism. A mistake which is continuously happening in the chronological order or a thing which is out of harmony with a period is called anachronism. Word made by changing the order of the letters in another word is anagram. Word which is made by changing the order of letters in another word, anagram. So there few words are made by changing the order of the letters. So that is called anagram. A person who wishes to throw over all establishment, anarchist. So a person who wishes to or to give all establishment is called anarchist. Something that is detested, anathema. The science of a structure of human body is anatomy. Structure of human body, when you are learning about the structure of human body is called anatomy. Fear of males, androphobia. Whenever the word phobia is coming, meaning is always fear. Andro means male, male, male. So fear of male, androphobia. Annihilate. Annihilate means you were destructing something, destroy something. Annihilate. You are destructing something, you are destroying something. Continuously you are watching mobile phone, you are annihilating your health. So to destroy something. Annuity means fixed sum of money paid to somebody as income in his lifetime. That is an annuity. There is a fixed sum of money which is paid to somebody as income in his lifetime is annuity. Anodyne, a medicine which lessen pain. If you're suffering from any pain because of any problems, and if you are taking medicine and which is lessening your pain is called anodyne. Anodyne. Deviation or departure from common rule of a standard is anomaly. You are not following that rule, common rule of a standard. You are departing from that, deviating from that is called anomaly. You are not ready to follow that common rule of a standard provided by any institute or from any country like that. So you are deviating or departing from common rule of a standard and is called anomaly. Fear of getting fat makes young girls stop eating, resulting in harmful effect and anorexia. So many girls wants very slim trim body, so she is not eating balanced diet, which is resulting in her good health. Means affecting her health. It is because of not eating balanced diet, the girls' health are affecting. So that fear of getting fat, so girls are not eating. That fear is known as anorexia. Anorexia. If I will eat more, I will become obese. So for that fear, the girls are not eating balanced diet, and which is eventually disturbing or affecting her good health. So that fear is known as anorexia. A person who opposes another, a person who is ready to oppose another antagonist. If you are saying your friend to do this, your friend is responding, no, I'm not ready to do this immediately. So your friend is opposing you. And he at that time he becomes antagonist. A person who opposes another antagonist. Room leading into a large room, anteroom. If you're crossing one room and then it's leading into a very large room, that is known as the anteroom. Anteroom. Collection of poem is called anthology. Anthology. So study of collection of poems are called anthology. Whenever the word logy is come, it means study. So antho means collection of poem. Now anthropomorphism. Anthropomorphism. The ascribing of human motivation, characteristic of behavior to inanimate objects, animal, or natural phenomena. So there is a process in which there is a ascribing of human motivation take place, characteristic of behavior to inanimate objects, animals, or natural phenomena, and that process is known as anthropomorphism. Now, what is strong and antipathy? Antipathy means strong and subtle dislike between two persons. Antipathy. Because of misunderstanding between two friends and your friends become antagonist, your friends are opposing you. So there is a antipathy between you and your friends. You and your friend. So strong and subtle dislike between two persons are called antipathy. Loss of ability to use speech or understand means aphasia. So aphasia is a problem in which there is a loss of ability. The person is not able to use his speech or not able to understand anything is aphasia. Aphasia means a person lost his ability to speak out something or to understand. Aphasia. And aphonia means there is a total loss of voice. Total loss of voice is called aphonia. Aphonia means there is a total loss of voice in any person. Aphonia. Apostate. Apostate means one who deserts his religion. Apostate. Apparatus. Apparatus means a set of instrument put together for a person. Apparatus means a set of instrument put together for a purpose. Apprentice means a person who has just started learning. Apprentice. Arboriculture means cultivation of trees and vegetables. Culture means cultivating something. Growing something. So arbori means trees and vegetables. Arbori means trees and vegetables. Culture means cultivating or growing something. Archaic means a word which are used in ancient time but no longer in general use now. Few words which were used only in ancient time, but at present time there is a no use of that ancient words. That words are known as archaic. Is called archaic. Word is now argot. Argot means a slang of the underworld. A slang of the underworld is called argot. Now, word is armament. Armament means military forces and their equipments. Armament. Military forces and their equipments. Arsonist. Arsonist mean who is guilty. One, there is a spelling mistake. O-N-E. One who is guilty of firing property. Arsonist. Arsonist who is guilty of firing property. Assemblage means an assembly of hearers. Atavism, it is a one disorder that mostly child suffers. Reoccurrence of some disease after generation or similarity in spatial features with remote ancestor. Atavism. So there is a recurrence of some diseases generation after generation with some remote ancestor, that is a inheritatory also. Atavism. The word is attenuate. Attenuate. Attenuate means to make thin or fine or to reduce the strength. Attenuate. If you do not take balanced diets, your health will attenuates. You will reduce your strength to make thin. And attenuate means fine also. Attenuates to reduce the strength. Etichophobia. Etichophobia, fear of failure. So many students are not going to give any entrance exam or not going to appear for any interview because of he is suffering from etichophobia, means fear of failure. So if you are preparing for any entrance exam, it is required there should be no etichophobia, means there should be no fear of failure. The group, especially in the arts, regarded a being the most experiments avant-garde. There are groups which are especially in the field of arts regarded a being the most experiment is called avant-garde. Axiom means if your someone is, it is called axiom. Axiom means a statement which is accepted as true without any proof. Any statement which is accepted by others or by you or by anyone as it is true, but there is no proof, that is known as an axiom. Axiom means there is a statement accepted and that a statement is true. It is believed, but there is no proof. There is without proof. It is without proof. So it is called axiom. Bale. A large number of cotton tied in a bundle is called bale. Ballad. A story in verse. Barrage in questions. Bathophobia. Again, the word is phobia. Phobia means fear and batho means depth. And bath means is coming that you are bathing. So batho means depth. Fear of phobia. Benediction. Blessing given by Christ. Benediction means blessing given by Christ. Benign. To explain a spiritual truth. Benign means to explain a spiritual truth. And if this word is associated with benign tumor, means it is this type of tumor. The cell are affected, but it will not spread to the different body tissues and it will not fatal. But in general English, benign means to explain a spiritual truth. Benign. To explaining a spiritual truth. Besiege. To surround with armed forces. To surround with, this area is besieged, means to surround with armed forces. Betrothed. Betrothed means engaged to be married. Girl is betrothed, engaged to be married. He or she is betrothed. He is engaged to be married. Bevy. A large group of girls or ladies. A large group of girls or ladies in a restaurant. Bevy. Bevy is in restaurant. Bibulous, fond of much alcoholic drinks, which is a bibulous is a bad habit. Means the person is very fond of different types of alcohols. So bibulous, alcoholic drinks, very fond of alcoholic drinks. Bigot, one who intolerantly devoted to a particularly creed. Bigot. So it is also not good things that you are intolerantly devoted to a particular desire or particular creed. So bigot. There is a no tolerance. You are devoted to a, you are just thinking about that particular creed or particular desire. Bigot. Biopsy. Biopsy means your examination of living tissue. Whether a patient is suffering from any abnormal tissue or a patient is suffering from cancerous tissue. So in this case, doctor is prescribing to that patient biopsy, examination of living tissue. Blonde means a man or woman with skin and hair of auburn color. That is a blonde. Bohemian, an unconventional style of living. An unconventional style of living is called Bohemians. Boor, a clumsy or ill-bred fellow. Borrow, the dwelling place if an animal underground. Boutique, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes and cosmetics. Boutique. So all are knowing about the boutique very well. So there is a shop, name is a boutiques, which sell different types of fashionable clothes, cosmetic, etc. is called boutique. Brace, a pair of pigeons are called brace. Brewery means a factory for manufacturing of beers. Brewery. Brocade. Woven fabric richly ornamented with designs. Brocade means there is a weaving of fabric take place which is richly fabricated with designs. Ornamented with different types of designs are called brocade. Brocade clothes. Brocade fabrics. Bumpkin means one who comes from a village and considered stupid. One student is coming from any place to prepare for UPSC, SSC, SBI. Another student is telling him that he is a bumpkin. Means he comes from village and all are considering him as a stupid. Bumpkin. It is not good thing. So kindly don't use this word bumpkin. Bungalow means a small house with all rooms on one floor. Bungalow. Bunting, a collection of flags. Bursar, a person who holds scholarship at a university. Bursar, a person who holds a scholarship at a university, and that scholarship of university is called bursar. Bair, place where cows are sheltered. So the place where cows are sheltered are called bair. Karchographist. Karchographist means a person who's bad in spelling. Who is bad in spelling? Here some spelling mistake. Who's that? A person who is bad in spelling. Cartographist. Cache. A place where treasure, stores, ammunition are hidden. That is a cache. Cacophobia. Again, word is coming phobia. Phobia means fear, and caco means ugliness. Cacophobia, fear of ugliness. Cadaverous. Cadaverous means that which is corpse-like. Cadaverous. Very thin person, corpse-like. Cadaverous. Very lean, thin person. Look like corpse. Cadaverous. Cazole. Pursued by flattery. Cazole. Always like and pursuing flattery. Cazole. Callous. A person who is insensible to kind thoughts or sympathetic feeling. Callous. A person who is very hard in nature, who is insensible, who is not sympathetic, is unsympathetic, is very, he is not kind. So that person is known as a callous. Cannibal. Cannibal always means human flesh. Cannibal. Who eats animal flesh. Human flesh. Human flesh is cannibal. Human flesh cannibal. Canophilist. Lover of dogs. So nowadays all are canophilist. In each and every house there is one dog. So all maximum people are nowadays are canophilist. Canophilist means lover of dog. Carcass, a dead body of an animal. Carcass, dead body of an animal. Carnival, public merry making and feasting. Carnival. So there is a party where the public are merry making and feasting. Carnival. Carousal. Carousal means noisy drinking party or merry making. So party is noisy one and making too much and merry. Enjoyments. Carousal. The drinking party is noisy. Carousal. Catrophobia. Again, word is coming phobia. Phobia means fear. Catro, doctor. Catrophobia. Your grandmother is catrophobia. She is not ready to go to hospital if she will suffer any problem or she has suffered any problem. So your grandmother is catrophobic. Catrophobic means fear of doctor. Caucus of inner circle of members of government is called caucus. Inner circle of members of government. Extreme fear of beauty is cellophobia. Phobia means fear and cello means extreme fear of beauty. Centenarian, one who is more than 100 years old. Centenarians. Ceramics, art of poetry. Chaperone. Elderly woman in charge of a girl on social occasion. Chaperone, there is some special occasion in which elder one is considered as a head. So that is known as a chaperone. Characterize. Characterize means be the embodiment or perfect example of. Characterize. He is a perfect example of this and that. Charlatan means person who pretends to have more knowledge. Charlatan means a person who pretends to have more knowledge, but he or she is not having good knowledge. So charlatan. pretending that he is more knowledgeable, but he is not. She is not. So that person is a charlatan. Boasting about knowledge, but his knowledge is not good, is not deep. So charlatan. An extremely deep crack or opening in the ground is chasm. Chauffeur means one who drives a motor car. Hob- Cabinist means a person who is blindly devoted to an idea. Blindly devoted to a specific idea is Calvinist. Chimerical. Chimerical means an unreal and visionary ideals. Ideal is not real, artificial, visionary, that is a chimericals. Chip, a small piece of food. Circumvent, prevent from being carried out. Circumvent, prevent from being carried out. Circumvent. Plague, a group of applauders is clag. Clinophobia, fear of going to bed. Clinophobia. Clique, a small person belonging to a body. Cluster, a group of islands. Cluster, a group of islands. Compelled to a course of action is course. Compelling to do that specific action is course. Cosent, presented in a forceful and convening manner. Cosent, you are presenting something in a forceful manner, in convening manner. So cosent. Cognate, having the same source or same origin. Cognate. Having the same source or same origin. Cognate. Coherent means sticking together. Coherent thought, coherent people, so sticking together. Any language speaking only, colloquialism. You are speaking that language but not able to write anything, and in any language speaking only, colloquialism. Communique, an official bulletin. Compare. Comparing means one who introduce performing artist on the stage programs. Com- Comparing. Complacent, one who is completely satisfied. So if a person is complacent so that person is always forever happy, contented in his life. Complacent means one who is completely satisfied, not chasing for wrong things. That person is complacent. He is completely satisfied, complacent. Conceited, to have a very high opinion of oneself. A person who is having very high opinion of oneself, conceited. Concubinage, a live-in relationship, a man and women living without being married. Without being married, a girl and boy is living together, or a man and women is living together, living in relationship is called concubinage. A country ruled by a country which is ruled by two countries are called condominium. A country which is ruled by two countries are called condominium. A person who sells sweets and pastries are called confectioner. Confederacy, union of states, parties, or person. Union of states, union of parties, union of person is confederacy. Congenial, having a similar nature, common interest. Both friends are congenial in eating habits. So having a similar nature and similar common interest. Congenial. Congenitals, before birth. Some diseases are congenitals, which is present from or before birth, congenital. Congregation. Congregation means a group of worshippers. Congregation means a group of worshippers. Congruence, identical in all respects. Congruent means identical in all respects. Your statements are congruent in all aspects. In identical in all respect or identical in all aspects, congruent. Connote suggests in addition to the fundamental meaning. Connote. You are giving the meaning of any statement and then giving the suggestion also. So fundamental meaning, giving any statement meaning or any theory meaning and then giving suggestion also. So connote. Connoting. Now relationship by blood or birth is called consanguinity. When a person is having any relationship by blood or by birth is consanguinity. Conscientious, guided by one's sense of duty. Conscientious means, conscientious means guided by one's, you are conscious, always. You are guided by one's self-esteem and guided by one's good thought, and you are always guided by your one sense of duty, conscientious. Conscription means compulsory enlistment for military service. Conscription means there is a compulsory enlistment for military services. Constellation associated with a star. So a number of stars grounded together are called constellation. Contagious means infectious, a disease which spreads by contact, communicable, contagious, communicable, infectious, that are contagious. Contemporary means one who lives at the same time, contemporary. Contumacy means willful and persistent resistance to lawful authority. So there is a willful and persistent resistance to lawful authority, contumacy. You are resisting, not accepting. Contumacy. Convalescence means gradual recovery from illness. Convalescence, word convalescence means a person is sick. So he is gradually, slowly recovering from sickness, from illness. Convalescent means sick person. So convalescence, now he is gradually recovering from his sickness or illness. Conventicle means secret religious meeting. Conventicles, when there is some secret religious meeting is happening, and that is called conventicle. A girl who flirts egregiously, that is a coquettel. So beware of that type of girls. A girl who flirts egregiously, that a coquettel. Coquettel. So beware of coquettel. Coronation means ceremony of crowning a king. Cortege, a funeral procession consists of number of mourners, comprising of number of mourners. That is a cortege. Consignatory means person singing jointly with others. Consignatory means few person are singing together. Consignatory. Conterminous means having a common terminus or common boundary. Coterminous means having a common boundary. Coterminous. Crage, that a graveyard where dead are buried. Cuckold, a man whose wife is unfaithful to him. Cuckold. This time one case is happen everywhere. There is a news regarding that girl, that women. But in this case, there is a man whose wife is unfaithful to him. So that woman is unfaithful to his husband. Is cuckold. So woman is not faithful to his husband is called cuckold. A passage with only one end. Cul-de-sac. A passage, there is only having only one end. There is a passage which is there is only one end. End is only one. Cul-de-sac. System of religious worship, cult. There is a system, when there is a in that system there is a system of religious worship, cult. Cyclone, all of you know very well, a low area storm with high winds rotating around a center of low because of low atmospheric pressure, that is called cyclone. Cynic. Cynic. One who think that human nature is essential evil. Cynic means mad also. Cynic nature. When he thinks that human nature is not good, is not essentially evil, is bad, harmful. So cynic, high-tempered person who always thinks that human nature is essentially evil, essential bad. Cynic. Cynophobia. Cyno means dog. Cyno means dog. Phobia means fear. Cytology. Logy means whenever the word logy is come, it means to study. Cyto means cell. So study of cell, structure and function of cell. Dactylographic. Dactylographic means study of fingerprints for the purpose of identification. So study of, especially it's happened for the, in the place of crime. Dactylographic. So study of fingerprints for the purpose of identification. Dactylographic is conducted by policemen, police officer. So dactylographic. So study of fingerprints for the purpose of identification. Dandy. Dandy means a person who gives too much attention to his clothes and appearance. Syam is dandy means Syam is, before leaving to any place, Syam is dandy means he is taking too much attention what clothes to wear and what to taking care of his appearance also. That person is dandy means taking too much attention to his clothes and appearance. Dandy. So it will waste your time also. Debonair. So, polished and light-hearted person. Debonair, a person who is polished and light-hearted. Debonair. So, debonair, a person who is polished, who is light-hearted. Decanter, an original glass bottle for holding wine or other alcoholic drinks. Decanter is a glass bottle for holding wine or alcoholic drinks. Delinquent, a person who fails in the performance of the duty or commits an offense. Delinquent. Delinquent means who does not follow any rule, who does not perform duty properly, and he commits any wrong things. So that is called delinquent. A person who fails in the performance of the duty or commits an offense. Delinquent. Delinquent means not performing duty properly. Demagogue, a political leader who tries to stir up people. Demagogue. Denigration, an expression of mild disapproval. Denigration means an expression of mild disapproval. Denigration. That person is showing denigration means he is not expressing proper approval, that he is ready or not ready of your statement. Denigration means not giving proper statement, proper approval. So expression of mild disapproval is denigration. Deponent, a person who gives written testimony for use in a court. Deponent, a person who is giving or who gives written testimony for use, which is used in a court. Deponent. Depreciate means express earnest disapproval of something. Depreciate means expressing earnest disapproval of something. Depreciate. Desecrate, to derive a thing of its holy character. Desecrate. You are deriving a something from your holy character. Desecrate. Desecrate or defile means use in an unworthy or wicked way, in a wrong way. Use in an unworthy or wicked way is a desecrate or defile behavior. Desertion, the abandonment of one's country or cause. You were leaving, you are deserting your country because of some reason. Abandonment of one's country or cause. Desertion, you are deserting something. So deserting means you are leaving your country. So abandonment of one's country or cause. Desertion. Despotism, the rule of a person who is tyrant. Despotism, a person who is tyrant. Destitute means a state of being miserable, Bereft of all possession, destitute, condition is miserable. Destitutes when you are in miserable condition, you are not having a good position, good livelihood things. So you are in destitutes, states of being miserable condition. Detrimental, that which has very harmful and dangerous effects. If you are, if you smoke always, it gives detrimental effects in your body. It means detrimental, means dangerous effect, harmful effects. If you live around wrong company, wrong people, so it is detrimental for your success, harmful and dangerous for your success. So this word means detrimental, means which has very harmful and dangerous effects. Detrimental, your health is deteriorating and it becomes detrimental because you are not consuming good food. Devastate, devastate means make desolate, devastating something. Here and there, devastate, desolates. Diatribe, bitter and violent attack in words. Bitter and violent attack in words, diatribe. There is no good friendship. So they both are started diatribe. Attacking bitter and violent words to each other. Diatribes. Or because of misunderstanding, you have started diatribe and your friends also. Both of you started diatribe. Means bitter and violent attack in words. Didactic, story told to illustrate a moral or spiritual truths. Didactic means when you are saying a story and illustrating, after that you are illustrating giving a moral or spiritual truth. That is a didactic. The story carries a moral or carries a spiritual truth. Diffident means shy, timid, unwilling to face a situation. Diffident. After doing mistake, a person always feels diffident because he has committed some mistake, so he feels diffident. Means he is feeling shy, timid, unwilling to face a situation. That boy got bad marks in exams, so the boy is feeling diffident in front of his father. So diffident means to feeling shy, timid, and unwilling to face a situation. Digress, turn or wander away from the main topic. Digress. When there is a conversation is going on and conversation topic is something different and you are digress, means you are not speaking about that main topic. So wander away from the main topic. Digress. You are deviated from that topic. So digress means turn or wander away from the main topic. You are not in that main topic. Digress. You have digressed. Dilettante. Dilettante means as dabbler, not serious in art, science, and structure. Dilettante. Dipsomania. Morbid consumption of drink. Dipsomania. Dysophobia. Dipsophobia, phobia, fear, and dipso means thirst. Fear of thirst. Dirge. Song sung at burial. Dirge. Song sung after the death of someone at burial. Disciple, one who works in return for being taught the trade. Disciple. One who works in return for being taught the trade is disciple. Dismay, feeling of fear and disappointment. Dismay means when there is a fear, agony, disappointment, fear, dismay. Fear of failure, when there is a fear of failure, there is a feeling of fear and disappointment. So dismay, feeling of fear and disappointment, dismay. Dissimulation means hiding of true feelings. Dissimulation. You are suffering inside, you are not able to face any circumstances, and you are in that time dissimulation. So, in front of your parents, so you are hiding your true feelings. Dissimulation, hiding your true feelings, hiding of true feelings. Dissimulation, distort, pull out of usual shape. Distort means breaking something, breaking down something. Distorting means you are a good boy and another one is coming and just saying in front of your parents that you are not a good one in along with anyone. Your behavior is not good. So it means that boy is distorting your image in front of your parents. Distorts means disturbing. So pull out of usual shape, distort. Diurnals of the daytime. The word diurnal is coming daytime. Nocturnal means nighttime. Diurnal means day and nocturnal means nighttime. Dogma, belief accepted without question. I am in dogma. Means dogma words always sometimes means also in doubt. So dogma means belief accepted without question. Domicile, a person living permanently in a certain place. Domicile. All of you are knowing this word. Dotage. Old age when a man behave like a fool. Dotage. Old age when a man behave like a fool, when a man behave like a small child, behave like a fool, that is called dotage. So it is a duty of all children to take care of old people. Sometimes you may become also that period of dotage. Means old age when a man behave like a fool. Dover mean the house of an Arab. Drought, gust of wind. Dray, squirrel homes. Dromomania, mania means for travel. Mania for travel. Drover, one who deals in cattle. Eccentric, not conforming to ordinary rules of behavior. Eccentric means that person is not following ordinary rules of behavior. So eccentric. Eccentric. Effeminate means a man having the women's quality. Effeminate. Feminine means female. Effeminate means a man who is having female-like characteristic. Female-like behavior. Women's like quality. Effeminate. Feminine means women. So effeminate means a man who is having female-like characteristic, female-like behavior. Elegay, a poem of Morny. Elise. Poem of Morny. Elocution, the art of effective speaking. A good orator means a good elocutor who gives a speech very nicely, confidently, full of words of wisdom. So elocutor, a good orator, good speech giver. So elocution means the art of effective speaking. Eloquence, persuasive and fluent speak. Eloquence. Persuasive and fluent speech. Eloquence. Elysium, a place for ideal peace and happiness. Elysium, a place where you get ideal peace and happiness is Elysium. Emancipate, emancipate to free from the confines of something to liberate from. You are feeling free from something. You want to free from something, from some confinements. So that is the emancipate. To free from confines of something or to liberate from. You want to free from something. So emancipate. Embankment, eval. Embankment, a wall built to prevent the sea or a river from flooding an area. There is a wall which is built to prevent the sea or a river from flooding an area is called embankment. Emboss, to raise a pattern or design on the surface of something. Emeritus means a professor who has retired from service. Emetic, a medicine which induces vomit. Immigrants, a person leaving his native country to settle in another. So immigrates, I made this confusing words video also. Kindly watch that video also. A person sent on a mission, emissary. Empathy, understanding without the interference of feelings. Empathy. Understanding without the interference of feelings. Endemic means something regularly found among a particular place or community. Endemic means something which is found in that particular place, in that particular community is called endemic. And franchise means give the right to vote in franchise. Envy means boredom and frustration in life. So don't think about envy. Be always full of spirit. Envy is boredom and frustration in life. So don't inculcate habit of envy. Don't feel envy. Boredom and frustration in life after getting failure. Envy. Epicure means one who is given to pleasure of the flesh. Epicure. Epicurean means one whose attitude is to eat, drink, and marry. Epicurean. One who always desires to eat, drink, and enjoy. Epicurean. Epigram is short saying or poem which expresses an idea in a very clever and amusing way. Epigram means a short poem or short saying in which someone is expressing an idea in a very clever way, in an amusing way, in an entertaining way is epigram. Epistle means a verse later. Epitome means a short. Epitome means Epitome means a short summary of a book or speech. Epitome, a short summary of a book or speech. Euquanimity means calmness of mind and temper. Equanimity means there is a calmness of mind and behavior. Equanimity. When you face any difficult circumstances, that time you should be always in equanimity. Means there is should be need of calmness of mind and temper, calmness of mind and behavior. Equestrian, a person who is skilled in horsemanship. Ergonomy means the study of effect of environment on workers. Agrophobia, fear of work. Phobia, fear, and agro means work. Ethnology, science of races of mankind and their relations to one another. Agronomy. Ethnology. Ethnology means study of races of mankind and their relation to one another. Ethology means study of animal behavior. Ethos means habitual characteristic and deposition. Ethos means habitual characteristic, habitual behavior, habitual deposition. Etiology means science of causes of diseases. Etiology means study of causes of science of causes of diseases. Etymology means study of origin and history of words. Etymology, etyomo means words. So origin and history of words. Eugenics means the study of production of better offspring by the careful selection of parents. Eugenics. Better offsprings by the careful selection of parents. So there is a production of better children by the careful selection of parents is eugenics. Finery means gay and elegant dress of appearance. Finery, gay and elegant dress of our appearance. Elegant appearance, finery. Flock, a number of ships. Flotilla, a small fleet of boats. Fluke, a strong of good luck. Stock of good luck. Fluke, stock of good luck. Folio, page number of a book. Forfeit, incur loss through some fault. Forfeit means you got some loss because of your mistake. Forfeit. You got some loss because of your mistake. So incur loss through some fault is forfeit. Fratricide means murder of one's brother. Fresco means the art of painting on a plaster surface. Frugals means a person who is very careful in the use of money. Frugal, who is not ready to spend money. Frugal. One friend is frugal. If you are going anywhere, he is not ready to spend money. So frugal. Frugal is also known as a parsimonious. Furrow means the line which a plow cuts in the ground. Gallop means fastest speed of a horse. Gamophobia, fear of marriage. Gamo means marriage, marriage. Fear, phobia, fear. Garrulous, who is very talkative, very talkative. Garrulous, talkative person, chatterbox. Genealogy, a records or table showing the descent of a person or a family. Genealogy means there is a record or there is a presence of a table in which is showing the descent of a person or a family. Xenophobia, phobia, fear, and xeno means birth. Zeology is the study of rocks and soils. Zeotrourism, tendencies to grow downwards. Gerophobia means fear of old age. Gerophobia means there is a phobia, fear. Gera means old age. Geriatrics means the branch of science that deals with the problem of the old. Geriatrics means dealing with the problem of old people. Old. Gerontocracy means government by old man. Gerontocracy means which is governed by old people. Giddiness means feeling that everything turns. Giddiness means feeling that everything turns. Giddy people, giddiness. Feeling that everything turns. Glossary means list of explanation. Goose, a female of gander. Gourmet means a connoisseur of food and drink. A connoisseur of food and drink. Gourmet. Graph means writing, phobia means fear. Gratuitous means done or obtained without payment or fee or of charge. Gratuitous means anything you got without payment or free of charge is gratuitous. You are getting anything without paying money, or you are getting free of charge, that is a gratuitous. Gregarious and sociable is bird means animals which live in a flock, used for human being also. So gregarious means talkative also, and gregarious means sociable also, who like to love in a social people, who likes to love in a group, who live in a flock. Gregarious and sociable. Groan, make a deep sound of pain. Groan means making a deep sound of pain. Grocer, one who sells grocery, you know very well. One who sells fruit, vegetable, etc. from a barrow in the streets. Grudge or grumble, complain or protest irritatingly. There should be no grudge if you have done any mistakes. You have to improve yourself. So, grudge or grumble means to complain or protest irritatingly. Gullible means simple and easily deceived. Gust means a sudden rust of wind. Genophobia, fear of women. Gyroscope, an instrument for recording the revolution of the earth. Habitant means the normal abode of any animal or plant is habitant, the place where living organisms are living are called habitant. Hackneyed means a language that has been very much used as hackneyed. Hagiology means a study of literature dealing with lives of saints. Hallucination means which is a person without objective reality, means hallucination which is not really, you are living in world of hallucination, a person without objective reality, hallucination. Handsome means two-wheel cab for two to ride with a driver mounted up behind, so handsome. There is a two-wheel cab for two people which is ride with driver mounted up behind. Harangue means a loud talk or loud speech. Nobody like harangue means loud talk or loud speech. Harangue. Harbinger means a person or thing that goes before and announces the coming of something. Harbingan, a person or things which goes before and announces about something is called harbinger. Harlot, a woman of lax moral. Her paxophobia means fear of being robbed. Harpoon means a spear on a rope for catching whales and the larger fish. Hart means an adult male of deer. Harvest means cutting and gathering of. Harvesting means cutting grain, gathering of grains. Haul means a number of fish caught at one time. Haul means in a net, in a fish net, so many fish are caught at one time. Havoc means widespread violence, something which is very disturbing. So that is a widespread violence is called havoc. Heap, a number of ruins or stones. Heap. Hearse, a vehicle that is used to carry a dead body, is called hearse. Heckle, interrupt and ask troublesome question. Heckles, don't heckle when your teacher is teaching. If you're knowing that concept, no need to be heckled. So interrupt and ask troublesome question. Heckle. Hedonophobia, fear of pleasure. Heinous, wicked to a high degree. Heinous act, which is very wicked, very worse to a high degree. Heliotherapy, the sun therapy. Heliotherapy means getting the energy from the sun, vitamin D from the sun. Heliotherapy. Herbarium means a place for the collection of dried plants. Herbivorous means the organism that eat grass. Heresy means belief or opinion contrary to what is generally accepted. Heretic means one is against the religion, one who is not accepting the religion. Heretic. Hermaphrodite means any organism which have both male and female organ is called hermaphrodite. Phrodite. Herma means both. Phrodite means male and female sex organ. Highbrow means a person claiming to be superior in culture and intellect to others. Highbrow means a boy who is highbrow, nobody likes him, because highbrow means he's thinking that he's superior in culture, he is superior in wisdom, he's superior in intellect to others. So highbrow, no one likes highbrow. Hijacker means a one who robs smuggler of his smuggled goods after the border has been crossed. Hippie means person who is against the ordinary society. So that is a hippie, especially in the sense of dressing and in the sense of clothes. That person is not against the ordinary society wearing style. That is a hippie. Histology is logi, study. Histo means tissue. Homonym means a word that is same in sound as another but different in meaning. Homonym means the pronunciation are almost same but the meaning and spellings are different. Horologies, horo means time, logis study. Hound, a dog used for hunting. Hoda, seat on elephant's back. Hoda, humanities, branches of learning concerned with literature, history, art. Hydrophobia, fear of travel of water. Hydrophobia, fear of travel, fear of water. Hymn, a religious song. Hyperbole, an exaggerated statement, means where statement which is highly boasted, exaggerated. Hyperbole, hypochondria, and a persistent anxiety about one's health, usually involving imagined symptoms of illness. Hypochondria, so you're continuously thinking, I'm sick, I'm sick, I'm sick. So it is called hypochondria. Hypocrite means a person who pretends to be what he is not. Hypocrite means a person, he pretends that he is very good but he is not good. So hypocrites. Idiosyncrasy, an old or typical or eccentric trait. An all trait and all characteristic is called idiosyncrasy. Idyll, a short descriptive a poem or picaresco scene or incidents. So, short descriptive poem or picaresco scene or any short incident which is with the help of pictures, that is a call ideal. Immaculates, immaculate means something perfectly neat and tidy. Immaculates, very clean, neat, tidy. Immaculates, your room is immaculate, neat and tidy. Immigrants, a one who settle in another country. Immigrants who settle in another country. Immune, free from infection. Your immune system is very strong because you're taking very good diet. So immune means free from infection. Impertinent means not showing proper respect. Impertinent because you are not showing any good respect. Impertinent. Impious means one who shows lack of respect or religion's reverence. Impious means not giving respect to religion. Imponderable means that cannot be ponder, weigh, or thinkable. Imponderable, it's out of thinking. Imponderable. Impotent means there is a lack of sexual strength. Impregnable means that cannot be entered by force. Impregnables means it is not difficult to enter by force, by applying force. Inalienable means something that cannot be taken away. It's not possible to take anything from you. So inalienable. Incendiary means a person who maliciously destroy by fire. Incendiary means a person who totally burned or destroyed because of fire. Incombustibles, incapable of being burned. It is very difficult to burn anything that is incombustible. A stone is incombustible. Incorporeal means that which is not composed of matter. So the things which is not composed of matter, which is not composed of solid, liquid, gas, is called incorporeal. Incorporeal. Indelible means that cannot be erased or removed. Indelible means one friend is deceived you, cheated you, so that memory is indelible, means that cannot be erased or removed. Indelible. Indemnity means compensation of loss. Indemnity means compensation of loss. Indignant means angry at injustice. Indignant means angry at because of something wrong happened to you, so you are angry at injustice. Indignant. Inexorable means one who is unrelenting and cannot be moved by entreaties. That is inexorable. Inexplicit means not definitely or clearly expressed. You are explaining something, but that explanation is you have done in explicit. It means you have not defined clearly. So that definition is not clear. So that word is inexplicit. Foolish love. Foolish love is called infatuation. Infatuation. All the smaller children, small girls and boys, especially, are in infatuation. Means a false attraction towards each other. That is a foolish love, infatuation. Infirmary means a home for old people. Infirmary, there is a home for old people. Inflammation, swelling, part of a body. Inflammation, because of any infection, there is a inflammation, which is, it means there is a swelling in any parts of body. Injunction, judicial process or order to stop something. Injunction means with the help of law to stop something. Injunction with the help of judiciary process. In means place which provides both board and lodging. In which provides both boarding and lodging, food and boarding also. Innuendo means a subtle, allusive, and generally deprecatory remarks in innuendo. Allusive remark is innuendo. Inscrutable is not clearly expressed or understand. Incrustable means which is not clearly understand, which is not understand. Means you are explaining something to anyone, but your statement is inscrutable. Means it is not understandable. It is not clearly expressed. So inscrutable. Inscrutable. Insinuate means suggest indirectly. You are suggesting something indirectly, then you have to use word insinuate. Insinuate. Insular means interested mainly in a small group, country, etc. Insular. Intercede means to mediate between two parties in a dispute. Intercede, if there is a fight between two friends, and in that you are intercede, means you are trying to solve a fight between your two friends. So to mediate, to solve dispute between two parties, intercede. Interpolate means to make addition to a book, something misleading. So in that book, if you're adding something, that is called interpolates. Interregnum means to the period between two reigns. Interregnum. Interrupt the proceeding and demand a statement or explanation that is interrelating something. Scatter things among others or place here and there is intersperse. Scattering things here and there is called intersperse. Sometimes it is also called dilapidated. Intersperse means scattering something, keeping things here and there, placing things here and there. Intransigent means a person who has a most uncompromising attitudes. Intransigent behavior is not acceptable because of your uncompromising attitudes. Your attitude is unacceptable. Uncompromising attitude. So intransigent means a person who has a most uncompromising attitude. So he's not ready to compromise in any situation. So intransigent behavior, who is not ready to compromise in any situation, especially in politics, especially in politics. Inviolate, some things that cannot be harmed. Itinerant means a person who travels from place to place. A person who always travel one place to another place because of his job is called itinerant. Just I have quoted example, but a person who travels from one place to another place is called itinerant. Itinerary means a plan or route to be followed on a journey. That is a itinerary. You are making any plan, so you are to and that journey plan is called itinerary. Jargon is a language difficult to understand. Jargon, a new language is always jargon for us because that language is difficult to understand. Jargon. Jaunt, short journey for pleasure. Short jaunt means that you are doing a short journey for pleasure, for happiness. Jaunt. Jockey, a professional rider in horse races. Judas, a traitor who can sell or even his friends. Judas, a traitor who can sell even his friends. Junta, a group of people who band together for some secret purpose, especially for political intrigue. So, junta is a group of people who are band together because of some separate secret reason, especially for political issues. Jurisprudence. Jurisprudence means a science and philosophy of human law. Jurisprudence, philosophy of human laws. Juxtapose, placing a thing beside another. Juxtapose means keeping a one thing beside another. Kaleidoscope means to swiftly changing scene or pattern. Kaleidoscope, a student always make, so kaleidoscope which helps in changing the scene or different types. With the help of this, the pattern will change. Calology means science of human body. Calo means beauty, beauty. So calology means science of human beauty. Catasridophobia means catasaridophobia means fear of cockroaches. Cockroach phobia means fear, and catasrida means cockroach. Kakistocracy means government by worst citizen. Crazy and kakisto means worst. So there is a government which is ruled by the worst citizen, kakistocracy. Canal means a horse or shelter for a dog. Nail means a funeral bill. Laconic, being economical in speech or expressed in few words. Laconic, a person who is less reticent, means who speak very less. After thinking, he speaks. So laconic means being economical in speech. First he thinks, then he deliver any speech, or then he speaks out. So that is known as a laconic, a being economical in speech or expressed in few words. Lagoon, saltwater lake separated from the sea by sandbanks. Lagoon is a saltwater lake which is separated from the sea by sandbanks. Lellophobia, lello means speed, phobia, fear. Lampoon means a written attack using humor to provoke contempt. Lampoon means you have written something with making humor of something to provoke contempt. So lampoon. Lapidist, lapidary means one who cuts precious stones. Laxative, a medicine that loosens the bowels. Legacy, something left in a will by someone who has died. Legitimate, a responsible according to law. Libel, a false written statement to damage a person. Repute, libel means you have given some written some wrong statement, false statement, and trying to damage any person reputation, person image. That is a libel. Libel is written false statement. You have written any false, someone has written any false statement which is damaging any person reputation, any person image is a libel. Libertine or lecher means a person who leads an immoral life. Licentious means a man of lax moral. Limnology, the study of physical phenomenon of lakes. Lindemnify, to compensate a person, etc., for loss or damage. Lindemnify means to compensate a person, etc., for loss or damage. To compensate a person, to pacify a person for loss or damage, lindemnify. Lipophobia, same, the fear of getting fat. Lithotomy, cutting for a stone in the bladder. Lithotomy, if there is a stone in the gallbladder, so that process is known as a lithotomy. Litter, young pig's dog at birth is called litter. Lock means a section of hair. Legophobia, fear of words. Lego means word. Loquacious, one who talks continuously. Chatterbox, garrulous. So loquacious, one who talks continuously. Talkative, garrulous, chatterbox, loquacious, very talkative, loquacious. Lullaby, a song to be put babies to sleeps. A mother always sing a lullaby to keep his baby to sleep. Lullaby. Lunatic, mad person. A place where madmen are kept. Lunatic. Lunatic, for mad person. Ligophobia, fear of dark. Ligo means dark. Macabre, a scene or situation which is gruesomely imaginative or full of gruesome details. That is a macabre. Madrigal, part song for several voices without instrumental accompaniment. Madrigals, a part song for with the help of many voices without instrumental. There is no use of instrument, and there is a song is going on for different voices. So part song for several voices without instrumental accompaniment. That is a madrigal. May use the phobia, fear of childbirth. Malapropism, a phrase sentence that is comical or nonsensical because the speaker used a wrong voc that sounds something like a right word. So malapropism. So a phrase that some statement is used by a speaker and feels that it is a right statement, but the statement is wrong one. So it is called a malapropism. Mala means wrong. Propis means creating a false creation, false thinking. Malcontent means person who is always dissatisfied. Malcontent. A person does not content means malcontent, dissatisfied, who does not satisfied. Malinzerer, one who pretends illness to escape duty. O and W is a spelling mistake. One who pretends illness to escape duty is a malinzerer. Mannequin or dummy, a full-size model of a complete or partial human figure. That is a dummy. Manometer for measuring gases. Instrument for measuring gases is manometer. Mariticide means killing one's husband. Mariticide. Matin, morning prayer is called matin. Mausoleum is a magnificent tomb. Mausoleum is a magnificent, beautiful tomb. Maxim, proverb, dictum, ages is a short saying expressing a general truth. You are giving dictum, you are using proverbs as a maxim, that is a short saying expressing a general truth. Megalomania is a mania of being important. Megalomania, that I have to always feel that I am very important, is a megalomania, mania of being important. Megalomaniac, one who has delusion of one's grandeur. Megalomaniac, he always feels that I am great, I am very important. That is a megalomaniac. Melodrama, say drama which is marked by very crude appeal to feeling and emotions. So when there is a fight between husband and wife, so always a melodrama is created and children are suffering. So melodrama, a drama which is marked by crude appeal to feeling and emotions. Memoir, personal reminiscence in a narrative form. So remembering something in a narrative form is a memoir. Reminiscence means to recalling something. Menagerie, a place for wild animals and birds. Mercenary, one who fights for money. Mercenary, no need to be mercenary among brothers. Metaphor, application of name or descriptive term to an object to which is not literally applicable. Metaphor, which is not literally applicable. So any application of name or descriptive term to an object which is not literally applicable. Meticulous, one who is very careful and particular. Meticulous, very intelligent person, very careful, very particular about anything. Meticulous. Milliner, a person who makes and sells ladies hats. Milliner. Mince, cut into small pieces. Minx, an impudent foolish girl. Minx, an impudent girl, a foolish girl. Misocamping, hatter of smoking. Misocamping, who hates smoking. Misocampnic. Misogamist, one who hates the institution of marriage. Misogamist, who hate marriage. Misoonist, a hater of new things. Misoonist means who hates new thing. Monograph, a treatise on one subject. Monomaniac, a person obsessed with one ideal or subject. Monomaniac, who is always following one idea or one subject. Monumental, outstanding significance. Any monument. Mundane, belonging to this word, earthly. So mundane, mutation, a change that befalls something. Mutation means if there is some change happen from the real thing. Mutation. Mutiny, open rebellion of soldiers and sailors against lawful authority. Mutton, flesh of sheep used as food. Namesake, a person having the same name. Narcosis, state of unconsciousness. Narcosis, a state of unconsciousness. Unconscious. That state the person is unconscious because he has drunk a lot and he is now narcosis. Means a state of unconscious. Nectar, secretion of a plant which attracts the insects or birds that pollinate flowers. Neology, using of new words. Neurotic, a person suffering from nervous breakdown. Neurotic, so a person suffering from nervous breakdown. Newfangled, fond of new things. Niche, a job, position, etc. that is suitable for you. So second meaning of niche, a job, position, etc. that is suitable for fee. Nihilist, one who believes in the philosophy that nothing has a real existence. Nihilist who believe that nothing has real existence. Nomad, a member of wandering tribe. Study of law, nomology. Nostrum, a quick remedy of or apparent medicine or similarly a pet scheme. Nostrum, quick remedy of anything. Apparent medicine or similarly a pet scheme. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Oblation, offering made to God. Oblation. Obliterate, destroy without any trace. Obliterate means you destroyed anything and you didn't leave any evidence. Destroyed anything and there is no evidence. Obliterate. Destroy without any trace. Ochlophobia, physician who delivers obstetrician, physician who delivers baby, obstetrician. Ochlophobia, fear of crowds. Oculist, one who cure eye diseases. Odontology, teeth, study of teeth. Odyssey, a long wandering journey. Omnibus, gathering of all things. Omnifarious, of all sorts. Omnivorous, one who eats plant, animal, flesh, and who eats everything. Ophiophobia, fear of snakes. Opprobrium, scornful and contemptuous language. Opprobrium means scornful and contemptuous language, disgusting language, wrong language, abusing language. So, opprobrium means disconfirm, contemptuous, disgusting, abusing language. Opprobrium. Orology. Orology means study of mountains. Orators means one who makes an eloquent public speech. So orator, elocutor means very good in speech. Orchid means a piece or a part of a garden where fruit trees grow. Where fruit trees grow are called orchid. Ordeal, severe test of character or endurance. Ordeal, the severe test of character or endurance. Ordination, a ceremony, the ceremony at which a man becomes a priest. Ornate, style in which a writer makes a display of his knowledge. Ornate means a style in which a writer describing about his knowledge, depicting about his knowledge. Orthoepy, the study of correct pronunciation. Orthoepy, the study of correct pronunciation. Orthography, correct spelling. Orthophobia, fear of property. Ostler, a person who looks after horse in obliate, a dungeon entered by trapdoor. Outlet, wait out for water of a stream. So these are about the more than 500 one-word substitution. So kindly practice use in your written and spoken English as well. Kindly watch the next series also of one-word substitution. Stay consistent, prepare. Perseverance is needed. Best of luck for your forthcoming exam.